Well, hi everybody. This is Scavenger Steve once again back here at the Old Franklin Motel. And just as actually the first full day that the carpenter is here with his helper and just beginning to make a dent in all of the repair and renovating that has to be done. And you can see a new door. There's a new door. You can see, there we go. Let's see. There we are. And a new window, taking out the old windows, of course, putting in new windows that are really quite economical and energy efficient. And so this is the start, the first day, you might say. You can see all of the junk here that will be hauled around. We're also cleaning out the rooms one by one as we are replacing windows and doors in each of the rooms. And so when they get a little pile, they will take it around back to the roll-off. I guess it's called the roll-off dumpster. And so just to give you an idea, you can see the old trailer there that the carpenter and his helper pull from job site to job site. Quite an economical way to do it. Just need to plug in a little bit for electricity. There's still water here, so they can take a bath. And they can cut costs for me and do really good work at the same time. And of course, everything reduces down to cost. And so that's about all I have to say. Just wanted to get this first day in here of showing progress. This is about a 4-month job or so. And so I will say so long, everybody. This is Scavenger Steve, and wishing you to go seize the day and scavenge your way. So long, everybody.